Hello. Welcome back to the next topic in Electrical Engineering Laboratory by Electrical Engineering Studies, College of Engineering, UITM Johor Branch, Pasir Gudang Campus. Today we are going to learn about Chapter 6 Introduction to Microsoft Excel. The main objectives are to understand the basic spreadsheet concepts, lookup function, and combo boxes, and also to introduce to the students on how to apply conditional formatting and nested if statements in Microsoft Excel. The students need to prepare the laptops or personal computer with Microsoft Excel software. Microsoft Excel is a spreadsheet program that is used to keep, record and analyze numerical data. It can apply to many business tasks, including statistics, finance, data management, forecasting, analysis, inventory, billing, and business intelligence. There are three most important components in Excel, which are cell, worksheet and workbook as shown in the slide. Figure 1 shows the other major components in Excel. The other major components are active cell, column, row, fill handle, address bar, formula bar, title bar, file menu, quick access toolbar, ribbon tab, worksheet tab, and status bar. There are few procedures in this topic where basically the exercise focus on the development of a gradebook where the spreadsheet created will allow to keep track of two tests, Test A and Test B. Hence calculate the percentage and the grade, distinction, merit, pass or fail, with chosen colors automatically.
Let's start with Part A, formatting text and numbers. First step, open Microsoft Excel and set up worksheet as shown in Figure 2. Make sure to format each column to the appropriate category. Right-click mouse, go to Format Cells and click Number. For example, name and telephone number columns should be formatted as text and the percentage column should be formatted as percentage. Step 2. Set the title of the gradebook to bold and font type Arial and size 14. Step 3. Merge cells D6 to F6 and label as Test A and color the merge cell to green. Step 4. Merge cells G6 to I6 and label as Test B and color the merge cell to orange. And Step 5. Draw border as shown in Figure 2, click on Format and then Border and Shading. Now, your screen should appear worksheet as Figure 2 as shown in the slide. Next, Step 6. Enter the marks for both Test A and Test B for each student as shown in Figure 3. Step 7. Create another table as shown in Figure 3 which it states the total marks for Test A and Test B. Now, we are done with Part A.
Now, we move to Part B, set up the formulae. Step 1. Set up the formulas in both the percentage columns for Test A and Test B to calculate the total percentage automatically. To calculate the percentage, divide each row mark by the total marks for each student. Step 2. In cell E8, enter the following formulae, equals D8/$B$17, format the columns E and H to percentage category with 0 number of decimal places. The $sign in the formulae denotes an absolute reference to cell B17 which is total mark. Step 3. Replicate the same formulae to calculate the percentage for cells E9 to E14. Step 4. Repeat the same step to calculate the percentage for Test B which is for column H. At the end of this step, the complete worksheet is shown as in Figure 4 in the next slide. Figure 4 shows complete work for Part B. Now, let's move to Part C.
Part C is about to apply nested if statement. Step 1. Set up another table with the grade boundaries for each test as shown in Figure 5 in the next slide. Both Test A and Test B have different grade boundaries. This part will determine the final grade, distinction, merit, pass or fail, for each student based on the percentage obtained. For example, for Test A, if the percentage is greater than 80%, then the student will get distinction. The statement should be read as, if the value in cell E8 bigger than value in cell B19, grade is distinction. If value in cell E8 bigger than value in cell B20, grade is merit. If value in cell E8 bigger than value in cell B21, grade is pass. If value in cell E8 smaller than value in cell B21, grade is fail. Step 2. Enter the following formulae in cell F8 exactly as shown in the slide with complete remark and sign as written for Step 2. Step 3. Repeat the same step for Test B. The worksheet is shown in Figure 5 in the next slide. As we can see here, Figure 5 shows complete worksheet for Part C. Now, let's move to Part D.
Part D, conditional formatting. Step 1. Highlight desired cells to apply conditional formatting in one block by dragging across cells F8 to F14 as shown in Figure 6. Step 2. Click on Conditional Formatting, then go to Highlight Cells Rules and click Equal to from the drop-down list as shown in Figure 7. Step 3. Set the value to distinction and select Custom Format from the drop-down list as shown in Figure 8. Step 4. Click on the Fill tab to set the distinction background color to green as shown in Figure 9 and click OK. Step 5. Now, repeat Step 2 to Step 4 for value merit, pass and fail with desired background colors for both Test A and Test B, and the screen will show complete worksheet as shown in Figure 10.
Now, let's move to Part E, Create Combo Box. Step 1. Open Sheet 2 of the Excel workbook and type data as shown in Figure 11. Step 2. Ensure the Developer tab is visible in the Excel ribbon as shown in Figure 12. Step 3. If the Developer tab is not visible in the Excel ribbon, click File tab, then go to Options and click Customize Ribbon. Step 4. Choose Customize the ribbon and select Checkbox for Developer and click OK as shown in Figure 13. Now, the Developer tab should be visible in the Excel ribbon. Step 5. Click Developer, then click Insert and then go to Form Controls and choose Combo Box, Form Control, as shown in Figure 14. Step 6. Click on Combo Box, drag the mouse and draw the combo box on Sheet 2 as shown in Figure 15. Step 7. Right-click on the combo box and click Format Control and go to Control tab and then select the range of values by clicking on the button to the right of the Input Range box as shown in Figure 16. Step 8. In the Input Range box, enter the range of the table, on Sheet 1, which contains all the names. For example, Sheet 1, $B, $8, I, $14, Sheet 1. Identifies the link, and $B, $8, I, $14 is the range with absolute referencing. Step 9. Next, choose a cell link which will be used to provide a link between Sheet 1, and information to be retrieved into the form created in Sheet 2. In cell link, enter $E, $4 and click OK as shown in Figure 17. Step 10. Now, the combo box is ready with complete list names of the students as shown in Figure 18. Whenever a name is selected, a cell link value appears in cells E4 which corresponds to the student number. Now, let's move to Part F, Excel VLOOKUP function. Step 1. VLOOKUP function will be applied in order to list down the grade of Test A, Test B, and telephone details automatically once the student's name has been selected. Step 2. Enter the VLOOKUP function in cell C6, by typing exactly as written in the slide. For Step 3 and Step 4, enter the VLOOKUP function in cell C8, and cell C10, also by typing absolutely as written in the slide respectively. Now, the name of the student will be appeared with their details.
For the last part, which is Part G, let's move to Formatting Final Screen. Step 1. Choose and insert favorite color, to complete the worksheet. Step 2. Add an image to the page to enhance the design, by clicking on Insert a picture from the chosen file. Now, the final screen is shown as in Figure 20.
With that, we thank you for watching and grateful for all.